What's up YouTube? It's your girl Sonya Lauren and I am back with another video. I am back with the cold because I'm sick. So y'all just gonna have to deal with my voice today because I need to record. Okay, the grind don't stop just because I got a little a little cold, you feel me? Thank you guys for tuning in. So basically today I'm gonna be talking about 20 plus YouTube video ideas that you guys need to know. Like, people always wondering, you know, how do you get subscribers, how do you get views? And I talked about this in my last video. You guys want to make sure you're making videos that are searchable. So yes, everyone wants to post videos about their lives and what's going on, you know, vlog style videos and stuff like that. But let's be real, who's going to search, especially if you are not a big YouTuber? Who's really gonna search your name in vlog? Nobody. And that's why when it comes to vlogs and stuff like that, when you're a smaller YouTuber, you don't get a lot of views on videos like that. Oh, I'm cold. It's cold down here. You're not gonna get a lot of views on videos like that. So I'm gonna tell you 20 plus videos that's guaranteed to at least get some views. I won't say these are the most viral videos because I'm gonna be honest, you just never know. And it's important to understand that you might not have the same luck as somebody else. So somebody might post a video and get like 1,000 views on it, and you might post that same video and get 100. So you just never really know. But I think these are videos that are searchable and that people might actually look up. So let's just get into it. Let's not waste any time. Be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button. And yeah, I'm so excited.
Shorty wanna, shorty wanna, shorty wanna, shorty wanna.
Make sure you guys watch this video until the end because I'm also gonna give you some tips that I feel like is super important, especially if you're a new YouTuber. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first video you can make is a what's on my iPhone video. People care about what's on people's iPhones. The next one is you can review a product. The next one is favorite songs, or like what's on your music playlist. So you can say like what's on my hip hop playlist, or like what's on my country playlist, or whatever you choose. Next you can say a haul video. It could be clothing, makeup. People love to see what other people bought. Next you could do is show off a collection. So if you collect Pokemon cards, or like you collect baby dolls, I don't know what y'all be doing, you could do a video like that because it's somebody out there that probably also collects things, and it's like, oh, you collect that too, let me subscribe. All right. Next you could do like a tour of your room. Or like if you have like a really cool room. Some of y'all kids are rich, okay? Some of y'all got like really cool rooms, guitars hanging off the walls and stuff like that. So if you got a really cool room, you need to record a room tour. Or you could do an apartment tour. I know a lot of y'all are like college students, or you know, y'all got like decent apartments, so people want to see that. Like, people actually want to see that. Next you could do a channel intro. So especially if you're new to YouTube, I never did this, but I feel like I should have because I never like really introduced myself, you know, to people on YouTube. But you could do like a channel intro so people can know, you know, what you about. You could make a reaction video to a music video or a movie or a comedy skit. Like, you know, you probably watching Kevin Hart Laugh at My Pain, I think that's what it's called, and you could literally have it on one side of the screen and just react to it. You could do a makeup tutorial. So an example of a makeup tutorial would be how to achieve a smoky eye, and yeah, people want to see that. The next video you could do is a skincare routine. That's pretty self-explanatory. Next you could do a natural hair routine. I might actually do that real soon. Next you could do a nighttime or morning routine. So what do you do at night to get ready for bed? What do you do in the morning to get ready for work and school? You could do a day in the life video, day in the life, but it has to be specific. So if you do a day in the life video, you want to be specific. You don't just want to put day in my life. You want to do like day in the life / college student, day in the life of a football player, day in the life of a whatever you do. You feel me? Day in the life of a doctor, like whatever your occupation or whatever you do. Next is you could do a what I eat in a day video. I've did like 2 of these videos. One of them did super well. One of them could have did better, but I think it's because my thumbnail was lame, low-key. So watch out for them thumbnails, y'all. You could do a mukbang video. For some reason, people love to watch people eat and talk. People love to sit and watch people eat. Like, I don't know why, but look out, because I'm gonna do a mukbang really soon. You could do a brother or sister tag. Also look out for that. Eventually I'll do that. You could do a get ready with me. GRWM stands for get ready with me. If you're new to YouTube or you don't watch a lot of beauty YouTube videos, I know some of y'all was like, what does that mean? GRWM is get ready with me. Okay, so you can do that. You can do a fitness workout at home or in the gym. You could do story times, but you gotta have a really good story, G, so everybody could tune in like, what happened, G? What? Like, your story gotta have me on the edge of my seat. If it ain't that type of story, then don't even worry about it. Don't even do story times, because don't nobody wanna sit and watch a boring story, period. You could do DIY clothes. So DIY stands for do it yourself. So say you go to a thrift store and you find this big old sweatshirt and you know how to like turn it into like a cropped sweatshirt or like a cropped, yeah, like a cropped sweater with like a skirt. Cause I've seen that before. Y'all are talented. Y'all are really super talented, bro. So if you know how to do stuff like that, then instantly, there you go. That's your channel. Cause it's a girl on YouTube. She be like getting any type of clothing. Like, she can turn like an ugly pair of pants into like something cool. So yeah, if you know how to sew and you a fashion designer or you into that type of stuff, go for that, seriously. You could do game reviews and game walkthroughs. Gaming is one of the biggest, I don't want to say industries, but I kind of want to say industries. It's one of the biggest industries on YouTube. Like anything gaming. Like, I know a lot of people who blow up off gaming because it's, I don't know them personally, but I know a lot of people who blow up off gaming because people like to watch other people play games. And like, I'm not a gamer, so I want to understand. Don't come for me. I just know I can't sit and watch people play games. You could do a cooking video. So yeah, if you know how to make fried chicken a certain way that, you know, other people don't know how to make, you know, go for it, do it. But anyway, that's pretty much all I got for y'all. It's a lot of these types of videos on YouTube, but I wanted to make one that made sense, if that makes sense. Like, it's a lot of these type of videos on YouTube, but I tried to pick things that I know would get some views. So now I'm gonna give y'all some tips, because y'all know I gotta give y'all some tips, or what is this video, right? Okay, so the first tip I can give you, I said it in the beginning of the video, but it's so important that I have to say it again. Make sure y'all are making videos that are searchable. If people not searching for day in the life of Hannah Sullivan, I'm just making up a name. If people not searching for it, because Hannah Sullivan, I can't even say that. What am I trying to say? If people not searching for like day in the life of Hannah Sullivan, then, you know, and I just made up a name. But if you're a small YouTuber and your name is Hannah Sullivan, nobody's searching for a day in the life of Hannah Sullivan. So make sure you seriously like create videos that people are searching for, okay? People want to know, like, you know, workouts to make your booty fat. People want to know hairstyles for natural hair. My second tip that I could give y'all is be yourself. I cannot stress this enough. People love to watch people that they can relate to. I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. When I first started YouTube, I was not being myself. You can go watch my older videos and you gonna see I'm a lot different now. I've got older, I've grown. I'm starting to find my purpose on this platform. So it's like, I was not being myself. I was trying to be what I thought people wanted to see, and it showed. Like, them videos have no views. You get what I'm saying? No type of engagement, and I wasn't getting a lot of subscribers because I wasn't being myself. But what's crazy is I didn't even really realize that I wasn't being myself. So make sure y'all are being yourself in y'all videos. Don't try to be like DDG. Don't try to be like whoever else is big on YouTube. Queen, none of them. So be yourself. Next advice I can give you is make videos about something that you're good at. If you are like the best t-shirt folder in the world, like you could fold a t-shirt in 5 seconds, make videos about that. Okay, like if you like the best video game player, whatever, make videos about what you're good at. People want to see people do things that they're good at so they can also do it too. They would like to learn from you, if that makes sense. So my voice sounds so weird, y'all. I'm sick. Anyway, people want to watch videos of people that know how to do things that they're good at, because they also want to know how to do it, or they might just be fascinated. Another tip, also the last tip, is to be consistent. To me, it's probably the most important tip, because if you're not being consistent, your channel is never gonna grow. Be consistent. I think it's the most important tip I could give y'all. Like, you have to be consistent. No ifs, ands, or buts. All right. So I love you guys so much, and I hope that I was able to help you guys. I see that people love these types of videos, so that's why I've been making videos to help even smaller channels, because honey, y'all need some help. I still need some help, and we could grow together. You feel me? So yeah, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button. I love you guys so much, and hopefully I'm not sick in the next video. Bye.
Life's about choices, so make the right decisions. No need for eye drops, you got 20/20 vision.